Say hi.
I want to be on camera.
Are you on camera? We're making Jiffy Pop. Making Jiffy Pop. Making Jiffy Pop. We're making Jiffy Pop. Here's the pork roast essence. Alright, let's start.
Okay.
So we made Jiffy popcorn.
You have to move it. Wow.
No, as soon as it starts to pop.
Oh, okay. I'll get your bowl.
Okay.
Put some butter on it.
Yeah.
Melt it on it. A little butter on it.
Mhm.
Okay. I'm gonna start.
No, when it. Oh, when it starts to sizzle.
Right.
Here, you guys try and do it. Alright guys, I'll do it. Hold on, I'm left-handed.
Stop for a sec. Let's see if it's sizzling. Oh yeah, it is.
I'll show you what's in our fridge.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Alright. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to tell you. Oh, let me film this and then I'll tell you guys.
There it goes. It's getting bigger. When should we stop? When should we stop? Keep going. It's gonna explode.
Remember one time it did explode?
Oh shit! Alright, you do the honors. Cut it open. Brains. We won't say whose brains.
No one's. It's no one's brains.
Cut it like one towards the top. There you go, buddy. Ah! Ouch.
And now I'll tell you guys. So on Saturday, I'm gonna be doing 3 a.m. challenges. I'm starting to get into the 3 a.m. challenge type thing. I've done one before. Called Freddy Fazbear at midnight. I was all in the summer, so I could do it. But on Saturday, guys, someone's good. But on Saturday, what we're going to be doing is I'm going at 3 a.m. I'm setting the alarm clock for 2:55 a.m., right? Right?
Right?
Oh, look at that delicious butter. And I'll be getting up at 2:55, set up all the things. Now, there's a thing called the Charlie Challenge. It's like this piece of paper. You get a blank sheet of paper, draw 2 lines like that. Write yes, yes, no, no. And then you line up the 2 pencils between the lines, and then you ask Charlie questions. And the whole story on Charlie is he was a little boy who jumped off a bridge and committed suicide. So, yeah.
Movie.
Yeah, we're watching a movie right now. And I'll be calling Freddy Fazbear 3 a.m. And there's this other thing, there's this game called Don't Knock Twice. And I heard if you knock twice at 3 a.m. something weird will happen. So guys, 3 a.m. challenges on Saturday at 3 a.m. So guys, stay tuned. And anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, then comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.
Peace.